Most people in their 20s and 30s will never be truly wealthy. Not because they're unlucky. It's because they've been thinking about money the wrong way. Today, we're going to change that. I'll show you the simple secrets that can actually build real wealth, starting today. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. Sounds simple, right? But here's the thing, money grows faster than you think. Even $100 a month in your 20s can turn into hundreds of thousands by the time you're in your 30s. That's the power of compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, small at first, but it keeps growing. Most people wait, they say, I'll start later, but later rarely comes. And every year you wait is money you'll never get back. Every year you delay is thousands of dollars left on the table. Wealth starts in the mind, not in the bank. Working harder for money alone won't make you rich. The real secret, make money work for you. Here's something most people don't know. Most millionaires didn't inherit a dime. They built it because they thought differently about money. Stop buying things you don't need to impress people you don't even like. Change how you think about money, and everything else will follow. Relying on just one paycheck is risky, very risky. Here's a better way to think about it. Money should have its own job. That means side hustles, investments, passive income. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start being rich. Imagine never worrying about bills again. That's the power of having multiple income streams. Investing isn't just for the wealthy. Stocks, real estate, retirement accounts, start small but start now. Here's a surprising fact. Someone who invests just $200 a month at 25 could have over $500,000 by the time they're 55. Don't think, I'll invest when I'm older. Your future self is begging you to start today. Debt is the silent killer of wealth. Credit cards, car loans, lifestyle inflation, they all quietly steal your money. Every dollar you owe is a dollar that won't grow for you. Think about it. Your dream house, your dream retirement, all delayed by bad debt choices. Avoid debt, pay off what you owe. Keep your money working for you, not for someone else. Consistency beats intensity, every single time. Young millionaires live below their means. They automate savings. They learn every day. Here's a surprising fact. The wealthiest 20% of people spend at least 20% less than they earn. Small habits now create massive results later. Tiny steps compound faster than giant leaps. Do a little every day, and over time, it adds up to life-changing wealth. Here's the truth. Wealth in your 20s and 30s isn't about luck. It's about choices. Every choice matters. Start early. Think differently, build multiple income streams, invest, avoid debt, develop the right habits. Your future self will thank you. And if you start today, the next 10 years could completely change your life. Don't wait, your wealth won't build itself. Click subscribe and start taking control of your financial future today.